Hi everyone and welcome to the CTU Newsroom. My name is Akasha Mplanga. Stay tuned as we cover diploma offerings, what to expect at the CTU Open Day, and introduce to you one of our latest products, Microbotics.
Hey guys, if you're like me and interested in technology, you're probably wondering how a simple snack board like this becomes something as cool as our little friend Emmett here. Well, I'm going down to the CTU Open Day where there's going to be an introduction to microbotics. Yes, microbotics. So if you're in grade 5 or up, come on down and we're going to take a closer look at basic electrics, microcontrollers, programming techniques, bot in motion, and much more.
Roxanne, over to you.
David, what is the goal of microbotics?
Well, the goal of microbotics is the introduction of various technologies. We will be using programming itself on pickaxe, for example. We will work with various microprocessors and microchips as well. And I think in essence, the goal is to give you a platform and an introduction to various technologies. If you're unsure what you want to study one day, this is an ideal course to study to give you an idea what is your interest field. For example, programming, it might be in the technology field, it might also be in the CAD field where we actually design little domes and for the vehicle itself. So in a nutshell, it will give you a platform across the board so that you can make a conscious decision and the correct decision one day what you want to study.
David, tell me, what will the students be walking away with after they do the microbotics course with CTU?
First of all, I think they will walk away with a lot more friendship with the people that's doing the course with them. They will be in their own age group inside the qualification or the course itself. And then obviously they will walk away with a workable robot that they've built, assembled themselves. They've actually programmed it in themselves. And the best part of all, they also get a certificate that they will get from the qualification as soon as they're done with it. So I think that's also a big bonus point.
So David, tell us, what is microbotics?
Microbotics is the use of small electronical components like you see over here, where you can build anything. Our aim for this qualification or module is to build a small vehicle with the aid of programming, like pickaxe, for example. We will program this vehicle and it will do what you want it to do. So that's in a nutshell, is basically just using small components to build something that can do something.
In a growing world that continually adapts modern technologies and devices, we envision a future of young digital makers, not only digital consumers.
So true. And now CTU is offering an IT Network Design and Administration and Visual Communication Diploma at CTU Bloemfontein, Boksburg, Polokwane, Pretoria, and Stellenbosch. These programs run over 3 years and include international certifications from Adobe, Microsoft, and Cisco. Our students achieved 100% placement upon completing their 3-year diploma last year.
This is absolutely exciting. Can you tell us what are the entry requirements?
Well, Akasha, the entry requirement for the IT diploma includes a NSC with a 60 to 69% in Math Lit and at least a 50 to 59% in Maths and English. And for our design programs, students are required to have a NSC with admission to diploma along with an art portfolio. So, if a student lives in and around these regions, they are more than welcome to schedule a consultation at their nearest campus for them to complete our assessment and interview.
Thanks so much, Roxanne. This is really great news for school leavers wanting to embark on a journey of lifelong learning, one that encourages job opportunities. So, I hear that CTU has a huge open day coming up. Do you know what we can expect from this event?
Yes, Akasha, the official National Open Day will take place on the 14th of April 2018. So, whether you're considering college in 2019 or working individual wanting to upskill, this event offers everything you need to know. From processes, program information, to student life accommodation, payment options, and more. Students can join us in person or catch us live on our Facebook journey with CTU through South Africa. You can expect some legendary dance-off moves, some selfie challenges, prizes, and much, much more.
Join us at our open day, 14th of April, for more. I am Akasha Mplanga, signing off for CTU. Inspired to study, educated to succeed.